This part of the bulletin is brought to you by Gautam Bali Makeup Studio and Academy, Sector 1, Chanihima, Jammu. Good evening all, you're watching the news now and I am Pindya with news at 5. Let's have a look at the headlines first. India celebrates 152nd birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi, tributes pour in from President, PM and LG Jammu Kashmir. Jammu Kashmir LG administered Swachhata pledge at Dal Gate, calls officers and public to work together towards environment preservation. UK's quick reaction after India's strong reply, ready to find out technical feasibility in visa rules. And Indian women's skeet team bags gold, men settle for bronze in ISSF Junior World Championship. And now the news in detail. The country is celebrating the 152nd birth anniversary of the father of nation Mahatma Gandhi. President Ramnath Kovind paid tribute to Mahatma Gandhi on Raj Ghat on the occasion of Gandhi Jayanti today. Many veteran leaders, including Vice President M. Venkaiah Naidu, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, have paid tributes to Bapu on his birth anniversary. Anil Shastri, the son of former Prime Minister Lal Bahadur Shastri, along with Prime Minister Narendra Modi, reached Vijay Ghat and paid tribute to the former Prime Minister Lal Bahadur Shastri on his 117th birth anniversary. While paying his tributes to Mahatma Gandhi, the Lieutenant Governor of Jammu and Kashmir, Manoj Sinha, shared a poster message recalling the sacrifices made by the Mahatma and also appealed to rededicate ourselves towards amity, peace, self-service, social equity and social justice. The Jammu and Kashmir Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha administered a Swachhata pledge to all administrative secretaries, divisional commissioners, deputy commissioners and senior officers, along with a number of school students of Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir on the occasion of Gandhi Jayanti today. While conducting a de-weeding and cleaning campaign at Dal Lake, he appealed people and officers to work collectively for keeping the environment clean and step forward towards its protection and preservation. Celebrating the birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi and taking forward the cleanliness drive under the mission Swachhata Abhiyan, the Municipal Committee Araspura, under the chairmanship of Committee Araspura Chairman Satpal Pappi, launched a cleanliness drive in the town to aware people about cleaning the society. The rally started from Chahula Turn and passed through different parts of the town. Children from different schools along with various organizations and all the councillors participated in this rally.
को पूरा साफ और सुथरा रखे, तो इसी के उपलक्ष्य में आज म्यूनसिपलिटी आरएसपुरा शहर के प्रोमिनेंट लोगों को साथ लेकर आरएसपुरा जो हमारे यहाँ 42 बटालियन बीएसएफ है उनको साथ लेकर मॉर्निंग वॉकर एसोसिएशन शहर के जो सभी व्यक्ति और खासकर जो हमारे इलेक्टेड जीते हुए काउंसलर हैं, ये सभी लोग मिलकर टाउन को साफ और सुंदर बना रहे हैं। तो मैं समझता हूँ कि आज के दिन सबसे बड़ी मुबारकबाद भी हमारी यही है और परमपिता परमात्मा से भी ये प्रार्थना करते हैं कि महात्मा गांधी जी को हम सच्ची श्रद्धांजलि जो दे रहे हैं ये समर्पित करें, वो हमारी सच्ची श्रद्धांजलि यही रहेगी आज 2 अक्टूबर को। थैंक यू।
Taking forward BJP's tree plantation campaign to keep environment clean, former MLA Ashwini Sharma planted saplings of medicinal and other plants in the village Chak Bagwana of Saidgarh Panchayat in presence of panches and social workers Bablu Pandit. But the special attraction of this campaign was the donation of books to a needy 11th class student. Ashok Sharma said that education is the most important tool and hence every promising student must get an opportunity to avail better education.
जो 7 अक्टूबर तक चलेगा, उसी के अंतर्गत आज हमने यहाँ आके इस जो स्टूडेंट जो है 11th की किताबें और नोटबुक्स और पेन पेंसिल के लिए इसकी सहायता जो है वो हमने की है। हम यहाँ आए हैं और मोदी जी के जन्म दिवस से शुरू हुआ ये कार्यक्रम, जो कहीं भी हमारी कोशिश है कि समाज सेवा के लिए हमारे जितने भी कार्यकर्ता हैं पूरे विधानसभा क्षेत्र में काम कर रहे हैं। आज उसी कार्यक्रम के अंतर्गत हम यहाँ आए हैं। मुझे खुशी हुई है कि एक ऐसा विद्यार्थी जो पढ़ना चाहता है और जिसके
Heartfelt tributes were paid to martyr Shubham Sharma, who sacrificed his life fighting terrorists in Naugam, Kashmir. The natives and friends remembered his supreme sacrifice on his first death anniversary in a program at village Sheikhi Chak. Martyr Shubham was presented an arms salute from the 4 Madras Army. Former Minister Chaudhry Shamlal, SDPO Araspura Shabir Khan, Station in charge Jaipal Sharma, Deputy Mayor Purnima Sharma, Mahant Rajesh Sharma also paid their tributes to this this young martyr of the soil.
वो तो है ही है ना? अगर बेटा हो तो ऐसा हो, क्योंकि कमी तो है उसकी, क्योंकि हम माँ बाप हैं, कमी तो होती है बेटे की, दुख भी होता है, मगर जिस काम के लिए हमने घर से भेजा था, जब खुद वो आर्मी ज्वाइन की थी, उसने अपना काम पूरा किया। पहले तो वो मेरा बेटा था, जब मेरे घर में था तो पूरे देश का बेटा हूँ, पूरे देश को गर्व होने चाहिए।
अभी आप सरकार
शिकायत की मैं तो फील ही कर सकता हूँ, है ना? मेरी सरकार से यही चीज़ है कि जो गेट वाला काम है ये जल्दी से जल्दी करें, और उसकी जगह जो मेरा छोटा बेटा है उसका ऐसा वगैरह बनाएं।
Following the directions and guidelines by the NALSA has proposed several programs from October 1st to November 15th. The District Legal Services Authority Udhampur celebrated Gandhi Jayanti at Udhampur Court Complex and recalled the teachings of Mahatma Gandhi. A Prabhat Feri by advocates and school children was also organized in the session for legal awareness of the people.
उनका जन्म हुआ था, तो इस उनके जन्मदिन से इसका समापन होगा। तो लीगल एड के मतलब लोगों को जागरूक करने के लिए ये हमारे पूरे देश में आज से प्रोग्राम स्टार्ट हो रहा है, ताकि लोगों को उनके जो फंडामेंटल राइट्स हैं, दूसरे सिविल राइट्स हैं, और इसके साथ साथ उनकी जो अपने देश के लिए जो ड्यूटीज़ हैं उनसे उनको आगाह किया जाए, और इसके लिए एक पूरे देश भर में मुहिम चलाई जाए, ताकि लोग अपने हकूक़ के मतलब, अपने जो उनके राइट्स हैं उनके मतलब उनको अच्छी तरह से जानकारी हो।
Celebrating Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav and stepping forward the Pan-India Awareness Campaign, the District Legal Service Authority Kathua organized a rally to spread the awareness about legal and judicial rights and duties of the citizens. The rally included an awareness about various schemes of the Government of India for the benefit of common people.
पूरे जम्मू कश्मीर के अंदर काम कर रहे हैं। इसी संदर्भ में बहुत बढ़िया तरीके से लोगों ने इनको महसूस किया। बहुत सारे लोगों ने हमारी सरकार भी हमारी काफ़ी मदद कर रही है, सपोर्ट करती है। तो यही सारी चीज़ें हमारी डिस्ट्रिक्ट लीगल सर्विस अथॉरिटी भी आज इस 2 अक्टूबर से लेकर 14 अक्टूबर तक यही हमारा प्रोग्राम चलेगा। हर जगह, हर कॉर्नर के ऊपर, हर लोग, और ख़ास करके आज महात्मा गांधी जी की जयंती है, इस अवसर के ऊपर भी हम सभी लोगों को अवेयर करना चाहेंगे कि हमारा जो बहुत सारी स्कीमें महात्मा गांधी के नाम के चल रही हैं, जो योजनाएं चलती हैं, जैसे एमजी नरेगा है, उसके अंदर लोगों को एम्प्लॉयमेंट मिलती है।
Demand to boycott Bigg Boss 15 is raising heights again. Users search connection with Sushant Singh Rajput's death. The audience is very fond of Bigg Boss, the show hosted by Salman Khan, and Salman Khan has been hosting this show for many years now. The 15th season of Bigg Boss will start from today, that is Saturday night. Today is the premiere show, but even before the start of the show, there's a demand to boycott it. Boycott Bigg Boss 15 is trending on the social microblogging site Twitter, and everyone is demanding to boycott the show by giving different reason. Even if everyone's reason is different, but everyone's united for demanding that the show should be banned. And a good news from the world of sports. The women's skeet team claimed the gold medal and bronze in the men's team finals. The trio of Ariba Khan, Raiza Dhillon and Ganimat Sekhom finished at the top of the podium in the women's event after shooting an aggregate score of 6. In the gold medal round yesterday, the Indian women were pitted against the Italian team. Meanwhile, in the men's section, the Indian team of Rajveer Gill, Ayush Rudraju and Abhay Singh Sekhom won the bronze medal after prevailing over Turkey. From across the world, in view of the travel advisory of Corona of Britain, India has also issued new rules for the citizens of UK. After India's strong reply, Britain has issued a new statement regarding travel advisory. The British government has said that it is in talks with the India to expand the rules for vaccination certification. According to the new rules of India, now citizens coming from Britain will have to complete 10 days isolation after reaching India. A spokesman for the British High Commission has said that Britain is working to expand its policy to countries and other regions around the world in a phased manner. We are working on technical collaboration with the Government of India to expand the policy on vaccination certification, says Britain. And that's all in this news bulletin. For latest update and more news, stay tuned with TNN Web and keep reading the e-print and daily newspaper of the News Now. Jai Hind.